Check this out. This is a 1964 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed Stepside in just excellent restored condition. And this is just a beautiful pickup. If you're looking for something like this, take a close look at this one. This is not going to last long. Beautiful gold paint, white top. Get to the interior here in a second so you can check it out. Just gorgeous. I love the spare tire mounted there on the bed. All the chrome, like the emblems, the bright work, the bumpers, the chrome grille. I mean, just so stylish. So we're gonna hop in, check out this interior. Definitely has recently had the bench seat redone. And it's almost like an original style fabric they used. Just beautiful. Love the red carpet. All the colors really go together nicely. This has nice gauges, speedometer, oil, fuel, temp, and battery. It's a 4-barrel. So this is a small block V8. This is a 305 cubic inch from a later model Chevy pickup, most likely. Plenty of power for the 64 though. Has been upgraded to a lot of you might think that's a manual, but no, that is an automatic. It's only got 2 pedals down here. Reverse, neutral, drive. Really easy to shift. It's a turbo 350 transmission, so it's a 3-speed. That's an upgrade from what would have came in here originally. And everything on this truck is just so clean. Newer glove box with the manual. Let's see, this is for your temperature. That was all you got in a pickup 64 if you didn't order any other options. Just one pull for air, or I assume push in for heat, twist it for your fan. I don't believe I hear the fan turning on, but it does appear to be hooked up. You got the whole heater box down here. I believe this is another control for heat or vent right there too. I take that back. The fan does blow. I hear it. I can hear the fan. So that does appear all to be working like it's supposed to be. You got another vent over there for kick panel air. Let's see, wipers. You do have a horn. E-brake is down here. Headlight controls. Not quite sure what that's for. Something else right there. Might not be hooked up. You got your lighter. This is a retro radio, so it's supposed to fit in the dash, kind of like an original one's supposed to. So that's a nice upgraded piece there. Idling nice and smooth. All right, there you have it. Small block 305 V8. This is a nice truck because it has power brakes. Power, I believe they're disc in the front. Let's double check that. They are, yes, disc brakes. So you have power front disc brakes. You also have power steering, which is a really nice addition to have in this truck. Then you have your 305 small block Carter Edelbrock carburetor. Super clean under the hood. There's your heater box there. Engine bay on this is just really nice. Love the stock exhaust manifolds too. Alright, now on to the paint and body. Overall, excellent shape. This truck looks just awesome. Super straight. You get right up on it. Couple small little touch-ups here on the front of the hood. You know, nothing too crazy. It is a pickup after all. Small little scrape right there. These hinges are a little tight. Just gotta kind of push them down once you close the hood. Beautiful body style on these C10s. Something going on underneath the paint right there. Passenger front fender. Rest of it looks pretty dang good. Both doors open and close nicely. Yeah, listen to that. That door just shuts super nice. Love the exhaust. Bed, it's wood, painted black. Wouldn't be afraid to throw something in here and haul it by any means. Love where the spare tire is. And here's the driver's side. If you're interested in this pickup, scroll down, we'll link in the description, take you right to our website. We've got 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how clean and well done it is under there as well. Also there you can find the asking price, our full photo gallery. If you have any more questions, you'd like to make us an offer, please don't hesitate, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.